Alright, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Pausalud pa ako Sports and we have a fast break discussion kasi matindi po nangyari sa Philippine Basketball Association. 4 na teams na lang natitira at kasama ko si Homer Saison para pag-usapan po ang mga nangyari sa Philippine Basketball Association. Homer Saison, magandang araw sa iyo dyan.
Good morning, Pao. Good morning sa mga Powcast listeners and viewers.
Oh.
Big Saturday.
Alright,
Sunday,
alam mo,
sa Pilipinas.
marami talagang nangyayari sa sports ngayon pero simulan natin ng usapan kasi fast break ito. Simulan natin sa laban ng Magnolia at Meralco Boats. Nanalo ang Meralco Boats as expected. Pero Homer, ano bang masasabi mo dito sa laro na ito at Meralco pa rin ang nagwagi?
Yeah, very winnable game. Very sad for Magnolia kasi this is a team in search of a title since 2018. I am very pleased with the performance. Unexpectedly so, ha? Performance ni Coach L.A. Tenorio. Kudos. From 0 to 3, he towed the team into playoff contention. In the playoffs, with a twice to win disadvantage, pero napanalo nila first game. But here's what I can say. Coach L.A., hindi pa ready mag-retire si Barroca at si Poldi. I think you still need them. At nakita natin kagabi. Jerome Lastimosa was good. I'm not gonna deny him his flowers. He had 21.6 assists, 3 turnovers, but he cost the game in the end. And it went back to what we always criticize about him. Yung major decision-making niya, missed free throws. It just shows you that if you're gonna give him... First of all, I'm gonna tell you this. At some point in his career, he's gonna be a great player. He probably will carry the franchise. But the time is not now. Hindi pa ready si Jerome. If L.A. Tenorio, Coach L.A. continues to give him the keys, he will continue to keep crushing the franchise. So, bigyan mo na in times like those, ibigay mo kay Barroca, let him give that stability. You know, kita mo ba yun, Pao, the turnover with 7 seconds to go, the indecision, the hesitance, di pwede yan eh. And then, I'm not only speaking to this game. May marami pa mga laro when they were 0-3. That's why they were 0-3 to begin with anyway. It's because of the inconsistency of Jerome. So, ito lang, like I said, there's a time and place for everything. And today, and next conference perhaps, is not the time to hand the offense yet to Jerome Lastimosa.
When do you see that happening?
Well, siguro pahinugin pa ng konti, di ba? Siguro another year and, you know, learn the system more and talagang, be a willing passer. You know, first, make sure na facilitate mo yung offense. Hindi yung mentality mo is a scoring point. Pwede yan sa Adamson. Iba sa pro eh. Iba sa
pero
pro.
Ano naman, di ba, Homer, we expected that Meralco is gonna go through with this anyway.
Yes, we did. But seeing what they did sa unang laban na tinalo nila, 2 days before. So nakita natin na kaya nila. And they have the better... I can make the argument that they have also a better import. Hindi naman kasalanan ni Jerome lahat eh, like number 2. I mean, nag-graduate yung import nila si Chapman. I mean, you have no business. You have to be more responsible than that. Knowing in an import conference that you are the best player of the team, you are expected to be the best defender, best rebounder, kasi unlimited height eh. So you have to be more... You have to be more prudent with your fouls. Eh, ba't ka nag-graduate? Eh, he graduated with 4 minutes to go in regulation.
Yeah, he was frustrated. Kitang-kita sa mukha niya.
Yeah, tapos, and he should be. He should be.
Yeah.
Nawala siya in the last 9 minutes of the game, including 5 minutes in overtime, nawala si Chapman. So, puri ng puri pa naman tayo sa kanya, di ba? Sabi natin, tol Chapo, ganito. But, well, he wasted a good game. He should, like I said, in some situations, kailangan willing ka na, surrender ko lang tong foul na to, I'll just give this layup and then I'll be in the game. See, you defend you try to block a shot, tapos graduate ka, wala ka na. So yun ang mga issues ko sa Magnolia. But one other thing, hindi nila pinapasa yung bola kay Xavier Lucero. Xavier Lucero should be incorporated. Hindi, Pao, I don't know. I saw the game. I cannot remember in the last 4.
He has 4 attempts only. He has 4 attempts only.
4 attempts?
In 44 minutes. 44 minutes, huh?
It's sa overtime, hindi siya. The referee touched the ball more than Lucero did. Diba?
Maybe that's his role.
No, it's not. He's the best player. If you incorporate him in the offense, you're gonna do wonders for the team. Pero yun na nga naano ko na, but why is Jerome has more attempts and lahat ng mga other players, Rom De La Rosa, which is also good, pero you have to put Xavier Lucero in there. You have to
Yeah.
incorporate him in the offense, make him more flexible yung sistema ninyo. Back to
Alright,
you,
that
boss.
is that is noted. We know that Xavier Lucero from your eye. Sana makita ng mga coach. But before we talk about Meralco Bolts, let's talk about the next game first. Itong TNT versus NLEX. You were right, bro. NLEX folded number 1. How heartbreaking is this that you were the best in the elimination, then suddenly you got beaten by the bottom of the playoffs, TNT.
In the parlance of our times, Pao, na may
Mm.
tinatawag na fake news,
Mm.
NLEX was a fake number 1 seed.
Oh,
No,
shoot.
nobody really
Ouch.
believed in them as a number 1 seed. Ako, Pao,
Ouch! Grabe ka
even
naman.
totoo naman yan eh. What happened to
Okay.
them? Maski naman, don't believe me. Because some people don't believe me, and which is fine. I'm just an analyst offering my own opinion.
Mhm.
Pero ang
Okay.
interview mismo ni Coach Jong Oicheco, alam mo ba anong sabi ni Coach Jong after
Ano
the game?
sabi? What?
Sabi niya, napakadami daw ng weapons ng TNT.
Mm.
And he mentioned Optana, Pugoy, and then Nambata, Castro, and Bol.
Mm. Yeah.
And he also said, which was endearing, I was outcoached by Chot Reyes.
Oh.
Sinabi ko na yun eh. I said in my column before these 2 games nila na, Jong is a great coach, Chot Reyes is a Hall of Fame coach.
Yun lang.
And then unfortunately, life is not fair. Ito pang Hall of Fame coach, ito pa yung mas maraming ingredients, sangkap para makatimpla ng isang championship. Diba? Look at them. This was what TNT had envisioned Ball to be nang na-hire nila. Now,
So,
you're not gonna be... Yes.
Mm.
Go ahead.
No, I want to ask you about Ball. So Ball is you're not in any way disappointed so far. He is fulfilling what he's supposed to do.
Yes,
Kasi
and he's...
Ball.
Correct. And
Parang
Ball
medyo
was-
meron na siyang ito yung hindi ko nakikita nung una, parang meron na siyang emotional commitment.
Correct.
Parang gusto
Ganda
niya
yan.
nang manalo.
Ganda yan pa. I think emotional commitment could also be used through your attachment to the the brothers Casimero. Parang pag mga post natin may emotional commitment eh. But anyway,
And sometimes like that, 'di ba? Kailangan talaga
Yeah, it's good.
emotionally involved ka.
passion is important.
Yes.
And si Ball no longer feels like he's an island. Diba? Like last night's game. Pugoy had 21, Octana had 20, Castro had 14, pati si Nambatak nakisaw-saw na rin. You know, the game before that, Castro, Octana, and Pugoy combined for 53 points. So, he no longer feels discouraged. Kasi dati, he scores 50, pero after every game, feeling ni Ball, talagang ako lang. I mean, I feel like I'm Samson carrying the weight of the world on my shoulders. I'm Atlas, di ba? So ngayon, ang ganda. This was supposed to be converged as well. Di ba? Na hindi lang dapat mag-aasa kayo kay Kyler Curry. Dapat, the Juan Gomez Dilianos of the world and, the other weapons they have, Mikey Williams, dapat would also do the roles. Pero this is why TNT is very dangerous. And I have bad news for you, Pao. I am so sorry to tell you this.
Naku po, ano po yan? Dami ko ng bad news ngayon natalo yung champion ng boxing, si Melvin Jerusalem. Ano na naman yung bad news mo?
Ginebra can't win against TNT.
Well, that's so advanced. Wait muna tayo, ha?
It's okay, yeah. Because
But
you know why?
Magte-trending ka na naman dyan. Magte-trending ka na naman dyan.
Because Ginebra might not even survive rain or shine. Or if they will survive, pagod na sila. Pagod na sila when they survive rain or shine. Bugbog sila
na
doon.
bash na naman ang aabuti natin dito sa social.
Pao,
I know you don't care. Kantahan mo na naman ako.
Ako ay isang hamak na analyst lamang. So, kung gusto nila ako i-bash, nasa sa kanya na lang. But I'm not gonna ask them to stop. Pero sabi ko lang, I'm just an analyst offering my opinion. Ganun lang yan po eh.
Walang team song to?
Hindi to ma-impossible dream pa. Kasi talaga hindi. Ang galing ng Ginebra. Kaibigan natin si Coach Tim eh. Diba?
Okay. Grabe. Anyway, bago natin pag-usapan yan, I want to ask you about one other player that you mentioned before dito sa NLEX versus TNT.
Oh my
Talking
God.
about superhero, what happened to what do you think about itong si Robert Bolick, 16 points. What do you think about this game?
Sa tingin ko, atin lang to ha. I know
Naku,
maraming nakikinig sa atin pero
atin
may
lang to at saka
exclusive
sa
ako.
mga nakikinig.
Oo, sa mga nakikinig sa atin.
Oh.
Hinahanap yata May all points bulletin yata ang NBI Hindi lang kay Bato, pero pati na rin kay Bolick. Kasi hindi sumipot sa quarterfinals eh.
So, you're not happy with the 16-point performance?
No, I'm not happy with that. Because first of
Okay.
all, the 16 points was actually just 12. Yung 4-point shot, ginawa niya, time was expiring, 1 second na lang, panalo na ang TNT, lamang na ng 10. So it was a meaningless 4. I can't even begin to fathom why he even would. Parang stat padding lang. Alam naman, talo na eh. Sa NBA, dinidribble na lang yan eh. Why would you still shoot that? But that's beside the point. The other point is this. Sa first game nila, twice to beat kasi sila eh. Advantage, diba? Sa first game, he only had 15 points, which is 5.5 below his average. Ang problema ko, John, he only took 8 attempts. Average niya sa conference when they were, like you said, 10-2, ang galing, pero regular season does not count. It's play money, kung baga. So, he had 8 attempts. Last night, 16 points nga, but I don't consider the 4 points kasi stat padding yun eh. The 12 points, pwede. He was good. He was 6 of 9. At that point, 5 of 11 before the 4-point shot. 5 of 8. But Pao,
okay.
I want my superstar. When my season is on the line, kung ma-eliminate na ako, I want my star to be like, I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna die with my sneakers on. Tira ako kung kailangan ako. Instead, Robert Bolick last night was a harmless, useless participant of the ongoing playoffs.
All right. No.
How did you know that in the third quarter, NLEX was down
wala man lang
by
warning shot ka, diretso na kagad, parang machine gun na kagad ginamit mo.
NLEX was down by as many as 22 points in the third quarter.
Yes.
TNT had a 20-0 run.
Yeah.
May lumapit sa akin pa, ha? Kaibigan daw siya ni Robert Bolick. Sabi, boss, kung pwede, dahan-dahan kay Bolick kasi they heard our podcast the other day.
Grabe,
Sabi ko naman, well, the last time I checked, Robert Bolick is a 30-year-old man who can fight his battles. Nobody has to fight his battles for him. And besides, hindi naman to bashing eh. It's supported by facts. Wala naman kaming personal galit or alita niya. As like I said before, kaibigan ko naman si Robert eh. But it is my obligation as a analyst to see it as it is. Si Jerome
pero nakakasakit ka na ng kaibigan, bro. Medyo nakakasakit na yan.
Okay naman. But, would you rather... Are you my... friendship should not be based on saying, telling the others what it's not deserved. Ako, sabihin ng mga kaibigan ko, pangit to ah. Oh, no problema. Totoo naman eh. Diba?
Kumbaga, kung mabaho kilikili mo at bad bread ka, sabihin mo sa kaibigan mo.
Yes, so para makano siya.
Pero totoo.
Kailangan ko pala magmentos. Diba? Not only that, you're also warning them na, kailangan ko pala magmentos. Rexona. Official.
Move na tayo kay Bolick.
Oo. Yun na lang. May lumapit na dahan-dahan kay wag naman, mabait. Sabi ko, I'm not saying Bolick's a bad guy. I never mentioned that he's this and that. I just, superstar ka eh. All-star ka. Ikaw yung allegedly highest paid player ng team mo. You should perform accordingly. Diba? Okay. And if you're not performing, then you deserve to be criticized. Objectively, of course. Walang personalan. Hindi naman, nag-personal ba tayo pa? Wala. Pogi nga si Bolick eh. Di ba? Pogi, macho, all-star, di ba? 3-time all-star. Gano'n. We give that to him. But when the accounting, the reckoning comes, you have to meet the moment. And Robert Bolick, di ba? Ilagay lang dito natin, ha? Robert Bolick was traveling on the highway to a championship. Number 1 seed. Bigla siyang nag-left turn. Are we supposed to be happy? Kung ako, fan ako ng NLEX. Ang dami nag-message na hater na ako. No, I'm not a hater of Bolick. I'm just telling you, we yet have to see playoff Berto. Palagi natin nakikita ang regular season Berto, ang galing, naka 32 points pa nga eh. He had a game, in those 12 games na nanalo sila 10-2, he had a 32-point explosion. Ang galing.
Okay.
Saan na yun?
Okay.
Di ba?
Okay.
Yun
Move on na
lang.
tayo kay Robert.
Okay. Yes.
Robert, good morning. Pasensya ka na, but my friend is a straight shooter. But you're welcome here. Ako bahala sa'yo. But let's move on. Kaya tayo anyway, let's move on real quick. So now that TNT has won and nanalo rin ang Meralco, what do you see? How do you see that series?
TNT, magaling din ang Meralco. I was so impressed with Newsome. Yun na nga, we want Robert Bolick to be Newsome. Na in the playoffs, you
Kala ko tapos na tayo kay Bolick.
Yun ang sabi ko nga, boss. Yun lang. Stars need to shine. Di ba sinabi ng NBA? There was once a saying in the NBA, yung catchphrase nila, that NBA playoffs where legends are made.
Yes.
So the PBA playoffs, the same din yun. And look at Newsome last night. Game tied, took the ball, went in there, and scored the separation basket. Ganon. And they have good pieces. Meralco. CJ Cancino is a very good. I am not surprised na nagiging successful si CJ. He was a great college player. UST and naglipat siya ng UP. He was very good. And then, Hodge was there. The import nila, he's not a star, but he's serviceable. Right? Si Jones.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is why I am picking TNT. And you know why? Because of this. Newsome cancels out by Pugoy heading and Namba. So maka-cancel out siya. Right? Si Hodge naman and their other forwards, Cancino, Oftana nang bahala dyan. Right? So the local talents cancel each other out. Tapos yung mga bigs nila, Bates and the other guys, meron namang Brandon Ganolas was there, meron din Garinato. So now we come to the imports. Ball averages 38 points a game during the regular season. And about to roughly 34 in the playoffs, quarterfinals. Marvin Jones doesn't even come close. He was 3 of 15 in the first game against Magnolia. So dyan ang separation. That's where I pick TNT to prevail over Meralco.
How about Nenad Vucevic? Si Nenad.
Well, last time I checked, boss, in 12 regular season games, Nenad Vucevic did not take one jump shot. He did not shoot one free throw. And he also
But the mines, what do you think?
Yeah, I still go to Chot Reyes.
Oh, okay.
Chot Reyes is great. Nenad is great. There's a reason why nandyan siya. He's great, but PBA,
you know what?
Chot Reyes, 11-time champion. Yeah.
Sabi natin fast break pero umabot tayo ng 17 minutes. I want to ask you real quick about one more thing. Pero ito, itatry ko muna i-ask ka na kagad. Kasi sa May 20 ang simula ng semis. Tuesday, can we do a pre-semis discussion live Tuesday night?
Yes.
Pwede?
All in.
Bago
Yes, Hoops Day. Hoops Day. Semis edition.
Gawin na natin yan. Pero, bago natin tapusin ito, bakit mo naman sinabi? Kala ko ba naman Hinebra ka? Ay, Hinebra rain or shine. Ano sa tingin mo dyan real quick?
I think Hinebra has the edge kasi nga Brownlee, the familiarity of playing with the same guys for years and years. 7 years na yata eh. Diba? Sistema. He already knows how the playoffs are officiated. Kilala na niya lahat. May familiarity na. Pero like I said, rain or shine will give you hell. Tingnan mo nangyari sa San Miguel. I think San Miguel right now feels like a guy who just got hit by a car and couldn't even know what the license plate number is.
Ouch.
Kasi, di ba? They were
days. I told you, rain or shine?
Nakita mo ba yung nakita ko yung video sa Reels. After the game, lumabas si Benny Boatwright sa arena, outside the court. He looked so confused. I don't think he knew where he was. Ganon kagaling ang they are so physical. They attack you at so many levels. They test your stamina. At napakagaling ng coach. So while I favor Hinebra because nga of Brownlee, the inherent advantage of having Justin Brownlee, I do not discount the possibility, boss, na, yung rain or shine. Kasi galing ni Jalen eh. Walang takot din, di ba? Jalen Johnson.
Yeah.
And,
So,
and may isang player na inspired. Si Andre. Di ba?
oh, yeah.
Oh, di ba?
Nakita ko nga eh.
Ang team song dyan ni Andre, pag may nanood sa kanya, hindi lang natin sabihin na, pero parang allegedly volleyball star daw. Pero sa in his mind, alam mo ba ang music sa tenga ni Andre Coracot every time he does a layup na may nanonood sa kanya?
Ano?
You are the love of my life. You gave me reason to live. Kanyon yun, ganadong-ganado. Ha?
Napakanta rin kita.
Oo.
Ako, bago matapos, meron akong sanang pretend you're a psychologist, Homer.
Okay. Yes.
Because I just created the video.
Okay.
And then Ginebra fans got mad at me.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know, sanay ka dito eh. So, hingi lang sana ako ng advice sa'yo, Dr. Homer.
First of all, ano ang video? Let me know the video. Give me context.
Ito na nga. So, the video was, people are gonna call me Balingbing because on the Ginebra in Rain or Shine, people knows me as a Ginebra fan.
Yes.
And I told them on that video that Rain or Shine has a different energy. And I think Rain or Shine could beat Ginebra. And now, Ginebra fan has been attacking me that I am not a true diehard. Because I told them, I said, Rain or Shine, iba yung energy. And yung Ginebra, asa kay Justin Brownlee. Yung Rain or Shine, hindi mo alam kung sino ang lalabas. So,
Correct.
if mag-cancel out yung Jaylen Brown at saka yung Justin Brownlee, if locals, parang ang daming maasahan ngayon. Sa Ginebra, si RJ Abarrientos at saka si Scotty. Sa Rain or Shine, ang dami. As much as I love Ginebra, sabi ko, I think Rain or Shine has a big chance here of winning, including the championship. Bang! Galit mga tao. Now, I feel heartbroken and parang hindi ko maano yung isip ko. Doktor ano ba mong advice mo sa akin sa ganito?
Ito yung masabi ko sa iyo, Pao. I already told you this. Karamihan sa mga Ginebra fans, not all ha, karamihan. Ang IQ niyan, mas bababa pa sa room temperature eh.
Aray po!
Diba, hindi nila naintindihan that the heart has 4 chambers, I think. And Pao Salud's heart is big enough to love more than just one thing. Ano ba hindi naintindihan nila dyan? These are people that are so elementary na like, kumbaga, kung may kaibigan ka na kalaban mo, meaning to say, kailaban ko na rin. No, that is so idiotic. Diba? Pwede ko naman mahalin yung dalawa kong kaibigan although nag-aalitan sila dalawa. Same thing with rooting for a team. I can root for them. But I will probably be happier with Ginebra, but at the same time, I won't be sad kung manalo ang Rain or Shine. Ganun lang yun. Hindi naman this is not politics where you have to be Dilaw or you have to be DDS. No. This is sports. Katuwaan lang to. Pagising natin bukas, malaki pa rin ang bill natin sa Meralco. Diba? It doesn't solve our problems, but it makes us entertained for 2-3 hours. Tapos mo gawin yung personal, it defeats the purpose of sports being a form of entertainment. Kasi nagalit na. Hindi naman, kita nyo, ito si Pao nga, minsan, maano na ako, boss, dahan-dahan ka naman sa pagpuri mo sa Ginebra when we do our pre-production meetings. He has been one of the most loyal, most fierce, most feral fans of Ginebra. At the same time, nakita rin niya ang basketball greatness ng Rain or Shine. Analysis yun. So
Doc, anong gagawin ko, Doc? Ako ang advisean mo kasi
ito yung gagawin mo.
Okay.
Sabihin mo sa mga fans ng Ginebra, yung mga kasosyo mo sa Ginebra, yung mga kapans mo, na you have to love me for who I am. Diba?
Okay.
You know, love is not exclusive. Fandom is not a marriage. Walang kontrata yan eh. Ako
got to love me.
Alam mo pa kung ano ang nakakabagay na awitin para sa'yo in this Rain or Shine and Ginebra duel?
Nako, ito na. Ano yan? Ano yan?
torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Di ba? Oh, di ba?
Loving you both is
Oh.
breaking all the rules.
Oh,
Tatigyan na natin to.
yeah. Yun na nga pa. Yun na nga
Homer.
sinabi ko. So, there are no rules in love and war when it comes to sports fandom. So, okay lang. You know, ganun lang yun eh. So, I already told you this. Wag mo intindihin yung mga Hinebra fans. Most of them are zombies. They don't know what they're talking about. Diba?
Alright,
So,
sige, tigil na natin. Umabot na tayo. Salamat, Homer Saison, for a very entertaining morning.
thank you very much, Pao. Until
Teka.
Tuesday. See you
Bye.
later.
Bye, Homer.
Bye.